let me share with you the best way to earn money using Google with just your mobile phone. You can earn between $500 to $1,000 with this method. We are going to be using our mobile phone to actually earn money using Google right now. All you just need to do right now is to come to Google, search right now and search for Google News. Search for Google News, okay? Google News. Once search for Google News, just allow it to load. That's just the keyword you are going to search for. Once search for Google News, click on this first one right here. Once you click on it, just allow it to load. We are going to be using this particular platform right now to actually earn money. Watch closely, okay? All I just need to do right now is to actually go on right now and select a category. You can go on and select either business, technology, entertainment, sport, or any other one, okay? As for me, I'm going for business. Let me choose business category right now. Once I select business category, right now, all I will be doing right now is to actually go on right now and select one of my preferred article, okay? This particular article is what I'm going to be writing, which is what I'm going to be using to actually earn money online, okay? I just need to go on right now. Let me look for any article. Okay, let me use this particular article right now. I will click on it. Once I click on it, it will actually take me to the source of this particular article where I'm going to be getting this article from. You can see this particular article right now. All I just need to do right, the next I need to do right is to go on right now and copy this particular article. Okay, let me go on and copy the article. I copy this particular article right now. I don't need to go on right now and copy it. Once I select copy, the next thing I need to do right now is to actually go back right now. Once I come back to Google News, you go come back to Google News after copying this particular. You can see I have already copied this particular article. The next thing I need to do is to click on this particular section right here. Once I click on this particular section right here, I click on Google Gemini. Once I click on Google Gemini, I just need to allow it to load. This is the AI we are going to be using to actually write this particular article. You can also make use of ChatGPT to also write your own article. But as for me, I prefer using this particular AI right now, known as Google Gemini. All I just need to do right now is to actually tell Google Gemini, okay, can you help me remove plagiarism from this article? I want to share with you and also make it more unique and easy to read. I will enter this particular prompt right now. Once I enter this particular prompt, you remember I have already copied an article before. The article which I copied before, I'm going to be pasting it right here. Okay, once I paste this particular article right here, with the help of the first prompt, it will actually help remove plagiarism from this particular article and also make this particular article unique and very easy to read for anybody. Okay, you can see it right there. The article is now easy to read, and we are going to go on right now and copy this particular article right now from Google Gemini. You can see Google Gemini have finished generating the article. Okay, the next thing I need to do right now is to go on right now and copy this particular article. Okay, let me go on right now and select the article. Okay, and select the article. Okay, you can see I just copied the article right now. Immediately after copying this particular article, the next thing we need to do right now is to actually go on right now and publish this particular article. And most of the websites where you are going to be publishing this article are going to pay us between $50 to $100 per day, depending on the kind of article which you actually post. But article about business, technology, and finance actually pay more higher. Okay, but apart from using Google News to actually find an article which you can use, you can actually use also Google Trend. Okay, go search for Google Trend. Okay, you can also search for Google Trend to actually use to get article which you can also make use of also. Okay, click on Google Trend right now. Once you click on Google Trend, watch closely guys. All you just need to do right now is to actually allow it to load. Okay, and later I'm going to be sharing with you how you actually be able to publish the article. Okay, and the site which you are going to be publishing this article for you to be able to earn money with it. Once you come to this particular section, the first thing you need to do is to actually go on right now and click on this particular section right here. Once you click on this particular section right here, okay, let's search for, okay, let me look for any country. Okay, let me use United Kingdom. And remember, articles about that is based in United Kingdom, United States, or this Taiwan country, they pay more higher than articles that is related to Nigeria, Ghana, and all those third world country. Okay, the next thing I need to do right now is to actually click on this particular section right here. Once I click on this particular section right here, I click on this trending now. Once I click on this trending now, the next thing I need to do right now, I have already selected my location, which is United Kingdom. I will go on right now and choose all countries. Once I select all countries, I will scroll down right here. If I want to go for health, if I want if I want to go for tech, okay, let me choose tech in this particular section right there. Once I click on tech, it will actually bring out some keyword about tech that are currently trending in the past 24 hours. Okay, let me go back right now and choose in the past 7 days keyword that are currently trending in the past 7 days. That is what is going to show me. The next thing I need to do right now is to actually click on this all trend. Let me click on this all trend. Once I show active trend only, if I show the one that are currently trending, okay, for it to show the one that are currently trending since the last 7 days till now, okay, that is what I want it to show. Okay, once I click on that, I will click on by relevance. Okay, once I click on by relevance, I will click on by search volume, because we want our article for more people to be able to read our articles, and the more people read it, the more we are going to be earning from with it. Okay, click on search volume. Once you click on by search volume, okay, it will actually choose it by search volume right now. You can see over 500,000 people have been searching for this in the past 2 hours. In the past 1 hour ago, that this one has been trending. It has over 21k people have been searching for this particular keyword. Okay, if this particular keyword, over 1k people has been searching for this particular keyword. Okay, let's make use of this particular one of the keyword. Okay, click on the, okay, let's use this first one. Once you click on it, once it will take you to this particular section, you'll be able to see different articles that have written about the keyword. You want to go on right now and click on one of the articles. Once you click on one of the articles right here, it will take you to the source. You can see you want to go on right now and actually get the article from here. Use Google Gemini to actually rewrite the article. After writing the article, I'm going to be sharing with you the site we are going to be publishing the article, okay, right here in this particular video right now. Okay, let's go back right now, and you can see that the keyword is still trending. You can see the keyword is still trending. Okay, all you just need to do right now, the first website which you are going to be publishing this particular articles which you have write, is the first one is known as Crack. This particular platform is a platform where you can easily publish your article and be able to get paid every single day for publishing your article on this particular platform. You just need to go on right now and click on this particular section right now. Once you click on this particular section right there, you'll be able to see different categories on this particular section that you can actually write on. Okay, and they mostly write articles mostly about business, entertainment, and more. Okay, and also news. You can go on right now and also write news on this particular section. Look for the go to their contact form. You are going to see their email address. That is where you are going to submit the article. Once you submit the article there, once they publish your article, you will also be able to get paid on this particular website right here. And if you come back right here, also come to this particular website. This particular website is known as Listverse. Once you come to this particular website is also a popular platform also, where you can publish your article and be able to get paid for publishing your article every single day on this particular platform. And on this particular platform, you can get paid between $100 to $500 every single week, depending on the type of article which you actually publish on this particular platform. And majority of the article on this particular platform are article about technology, article are mostly about science and technology. That is what the type of article that you're going to see on this particular section right here. And you can go on right now and publish your article on this particular platform. But before you actually go on to publish your article, make sure you read their terms and conditions before you publish your article. And the third website where you can publish your article and be able to get paid, the article which you actually got from either Google Trend or Google News, is this particular platform known as Income Diary. This particular platform is also a popular platform, a popular website where you can publish your article about make money, business advice, and many other ways about finance on this particular platform. And you'll be able to get paid between $50 to $100 depending on the type of article which you actually publish. And you can publish up to 100 articles on this particular platform and be able to get paid for all the articles most so far they are relevant. Make sure that your article is very unique, relevant, and easy to read, okay, before sending it to them to publish on their platform. Okay, and if you come to this particular section right there, also this particular platform is known as International Living. This International Living also publish article, also different type of article. Also you can see the type of article mostly about travel, about different articles. You can see different the type of article which they actually publish on this particular platform. You can go on right now also and publish your article on this particular platform and be able to get paid for publishing your article on this particular platform known as International Living. Is also another platform where you can publish your article and be able to get paid. This is actually an easiest way to actually earn money by using Google. I would like to know your opinion about this particular method of earning money with Google in the comment section of this video, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in my next video.